Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 8540. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. I see a lot of 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s. Let me start with 3. Usually when I start, I scan a puzzle. How many 1s, how many 2s, 3s, 4s? Well, if I have 5 3s, why not start right away with the 3? 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. All right, 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, on the last column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 7. Need a 6. And I need a 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, last column. No 9 in these 2 boxes, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers to 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers to 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 9 and the 4. As a pair, the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Almost made a mistake, 4 and 8, okay. And now, 3 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, okay. How about these three missing numbers in the four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 4, supposed to be there. Two numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 1 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, though, need 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 4, 8, 8, 8. Need a 6 also. 6, 6. Come on. 8, 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place level 8 should be there. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 7 goes there. 4, 5, 7. Alright. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Let me think. Don't think too long. 7. Need a 7 there. Well. Need a 6 there. Need a 9. Well. Come on. 9. 3, 8, 1. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 in the third column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we need a 4 here. Six in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. All right. 7 and 9 and then 5. Well, and now 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 7, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7. No. How about the 2 then? Need a 2 here. 2, 2. 2, 2. Come on. 7, 7. Need a 7 there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this one, no 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left of the 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left here, 4 and the 5. Alright. 7. Come on, come on, come on. 2. Need a 2 there. 7, 9, and the 5. Need a 5. How about the 5 then? 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Need a 5. Need a 9. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. 5, 9, and a 7. 5, 9, and a 7. Yeah. Need a 4 here. 4 there. Need a 4 here. Ay. The 5. I'm stuck. How can I'm stuck. 3 for the 1, the 2, something with the 2, 2, 2, something with the 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. And I need a 2 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, need a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5, 6, 7, 8. Need a 9 here. 5 and a 9. Ay. 3. 7, 9, 4, 5, 4, 5, 7, 9. This box, I think this should be a hidden number. 2 or 9 here, maybe. 2 or 9. 2. I'm stuck. 9, 9. 9, 9. 4 and a 5. No 7 here. 2, 7. 2 and a 9. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 also. I need a 5 here, 5. Need a 5, 5. 5, 5. Need 5 here. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 4, 5. 9 and a 5. Where's the opening? Need a 5 here or there. 5, 5, 5. This box 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. I need a 4. Come on. Stuck here. I'm stuck. What's happening? What's happening? 2, 2, yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 3 places left. 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in this, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 7, 4 and a 5 are missing here, 4 and a 5. 2, 7. This box should be also 4 and a 5. 2, 7, 4 and a 5. So, need a 9 here. We have a 9. 9 could be here. We need a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Four in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 5. Need a 9 here. 5, 9, 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left, the 7 could be here, could be there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. That means in this column, the 7 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Yeah. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the only place left, the 7 in the first column should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and I believe the 9, 2 and the 9 here. Need to wait here, 2 and a 9. I've marked those 2 boxes all the way to 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so this box can be 7. That box should be 7. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Well, we have a 2 now. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, need a 2 there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left, the 2 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column, I believe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 and a 4, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. Yeah. Otherwise, if you're faster than 15 minutes, then it will be 1 star. But, yeah, I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.